When things get bad, we don't wheel it. Orange peel. I put in my tea and me drink up. Cause when the bills are piled and food are run out, we keep on juggling over. And when Papa gotta hold me in his arms, I'm a juggling over. Mountains are high but never higher than way. And we can get over it. And the problems could have been but never bigger than way. And we can get over it. Over it. The Almighty get we through. Over it. I used to begin a command, but mine a command. We keep on juggling over. And when Papa got a hold me in his arms, I'm a juggling over. Now I've been broken, and I know what it feels to be trodden down. Yeah, and I've been hurting, and I know what it feels to be let down. But me just and get over it. I say pressures are come and life are come, but we juggling and keep juggling over. And when bad mind are come and we keep on juggling over, yeah.
Yeah, man, bless. Yeah, so the name is Collis Durante, the Unlimited Soul Project, and what we're about here right now, we're inside Saso's Music Electronics down in Mid-Center Mall, Shogunas, and we had the first of what is our promo events. Yeah, we call it promo events for our main event, which is happening on March 26th, which is called Infinite Love, the Nature Experience, happening all at the Marshall Montano's Residence Amphitheater and the Jamaica Beach Resort. So today we had, as I said, we were here at Saso's. We had Nisa, which was a great honor and pleasure to have her on board today, and as well is on the event. So that's just like amazing. She already blew the roof off this place in a promo event. So imagine what is going to happen in a real event, right? So the idea is basically doing these things to build content, to start killing the social media just now, and giving you all a taste and a feel of what you are to expect on March 26th. It's a virtual pay-per-view event, so we're looking forward for you to dip in your pockets, come out and support the vibes, yeah? So you don't know. So looking forward to see you. Infinite Love, the Nature Experience.
In mine in yours. Take a breath, pause for a cause. We ain't got nowhere to go. All this matters.